Now we have question number 3. Question number 3 says a spiral spring of a spring balance is 25.0 centimeter when 5 Newton hang on it and 30.0 cm when the weight of 10 Newton hang on it. What is the length of the spring balance if the weight is 3 Newton, assuming Hooke's law is obeyed? Now, can you see this question? In this question, we're given 3 forces. They say a spiral spring of a spring balance is 25 cm cube when 5 Newton hang on it, which means this is the extension 1, which is E1 is 25 cm. When 5 Newton hang on it, which is the first force, which is F1, 5 Newton, then and 30 cm cube and 30 cm. This 30 cm now is E2, which is the second extension, which is E2 30 cm, when the weight of 10 Newton hang on it. The second force, which is what? 10 Newton. What is the length of the spring balance if the weight is 3 Newton? They're asking us for the third extension, or E3, if the weight is 3 Newton, which is the third force is what? 3 Newton. In the previous videos, I've explained how we solve it when we are given 3 forces or when we are given 3 extensions. Now, we use F3 minus F2 all over E3 minus E2 is equal to F2 minus F1 all over E2 minus E1. With this formula, we just substitute. What is F3? F3 is 3 Newton, so we have 3 minus F2, F2 is 10, all over, we have E3, we don't know what E3 is, minus E2, E2 is 30, is equal to F2, F2 is 10, minus F1, F1 is 5, all over E2, E2 is 30, minus E1, E1 is 25. Can you see how I substituted everything? And this is what we are asked to calculate for, the third extension. Now we just simplify. 3 minus 10 is minus 7, all over E3 minus 30 is the same thing, it's same as E3 minus 30. You cannot subtract that. 10 minus 5 is 5, all over 30 minus 25 is 5. Alright? Then 5 divided by 5, this can just cancel, it is 1. Alright? So we have minus 7 all over E3 minus 30 is equal to 1. Then we can just make it 1 all over 1 so that it will be balanced. Then if it's balanced, we can just cross multiply. Very simple. 1 times minus 7, it still gives you minus 7. 1 times E3 minus 30 still gives you E3 minus 30 is equal to minus 7. Because if minus 7 is to multiply 1, it still gives you minus 7. If E3 minus 30 is to multiply 1, it still gives you the same answer. So what do we do at this point? We collect the like terms. Alright? The ones with alphabet should be on one side. The one without alphabet should be on the other side. So this is E3, which is with alphabet. E3, it will be on one side, is equal to, this is minus 7. Alright? Then minus 30 will cross this equality sign. And if minus 30 is to cross this equality sign, it will change to plus 30. Now, E3 is equal to minus 7 plus 30. How can you calculate it? Minus 7, let's say you are owing somebody 7 naira. Then plus 30, plus means you have. Minus is you are owing somebody. Now, if you are owing somebody 7 and you have 30, you can be able to pay that person. And when you pay the person 7 out of 30, what will you have? You have 23, which is your own, which is, it doesn't have a negative sign. So 23 what? 23 centimeter. This is your final answer. When you are given 3 forces, you use this particular formula. Alright? So please subscribe to my YouTube channel that we posted in the comment section and drop a like and drop your comments. Thank you.